Do you know that you can earn money from watching YouTube?
The main question is it really so easy to earn money by watching YouTube videos? In this video, I'm going to check the videos of people who tell you that you can earn money from watching YouTube videos and tell you the result, whether they are liars or they are telling the truth. The fact is, you cannot earn money by watching your favorite videos on YouTube, but there are ways that you can earn money by using YouTube videos. One of the ways we want to check it is the method mentioned in this video. So don't worry if you haven't seen the whole video. In this video, it is said that you can earn money by copying the link of your favorite videos and placing it on the site Alfego. But this site is a speech-to-text conversation site, and according to the statements of this channel, which is earned from watching YouTube videos, it's completely wrong. In this way, you can just sit and watch the video and get money, but you can earn money by using that video and doing things. And this site is one of these methods. Before we go to the training of earning income, like the video right now, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss these types of videos. On this site, by placing a link to a video, we receive the text of that video which we need. In the first step, you should make this text a little more beautiful and orderly, so that it looks like an article text. For this, I suggested you Google Docs that you can easily edit your text. After we do this, we put our sorted text on the site writeup.com so that it delivers a more complete text without spelling mistakes. After placing the text in this section, click on the blue button to completely rewrite the text. But be patient because it may take time. We copy the rewritten text and place it on other site named phrase.io. Then click again and copy the new text. But you say to yourself, what is the point of all this work? I must say that we are going to create a high-rated article so that we can earn a lot of income from it, which you will see below. After all this works, we are going to put this article on two sites that will give us a lot of income. Yes, a lot of income. You heard it right. Through YouTube videos, we were able to create an article in less than 30 minutes and be able to earn money from it. This is the first site where we can post our article and earn from it. On this site, we are paid up to $4 for every 1,000 views of our article. But the truth of the matter is that your article may not get many views. That's why you should do it every day and choose important topics for your article. So let's go to how to upload our article on this site. For this, it is enough to create a user account and enter the required information such as your name, email, and password. And after confirming your email, enter a new page from the Create a Store section on the upper part. In this section, you can write the title and subtitle of your article and also upload photos with the subject of the article for your article in this section, and place your article under the photo section and then save it. Well, the second site that gives more income than the first site is the site Text Broker. The good thing about this site is that you can choose the quality and number of words of your article and earn a lot of income based on it. You can upload your article and earn a lot of money by selecting the blue color option and selecting the other option. In the end, we come to the fact that you can't earn money from just watching YouTube videos, but you can earn money throughout YouTube videos. Thank you for watching the video so far. To see more videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't miss this suggested video in which I have taught you how to earn by just opening your emails.